Let's go now.
Come on, Noah.
All right, all right, all right. Pay attention, boy. All right, all right, all right. Now you ready. Here we go, here we go. Good eye. That's a good eye.
Good eye, Noah.
Good eye. No, it's 3 and 1. It's 3 and 1. It's got to be pretty. It's got to be pretty. All right, come on down. Go on down. Go on down. There you go. Who's up? Here we go. Mm-hmm. Here we go. Here we go. Let's go, Connor. Dig, dig, dig. You up, you up, you up. Stay on there. Yeah. Got it. Did you see that? Did you see that third baseman catcher throw the ball at all? I don't know if he can throw. Next time he's coming. Noah. Here we go. Here we go. Stay there.
All right, Connor.
What we got? 3 and 1. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Slide, slide, slide. Stay, 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 stay. You got to slide. No, you got to slide on that. Remember to slide. You have to slide. It's close, you got to slide. Let's go, Joel.
He probably could have gotten home on that.
Yeah. I agree. Let's go, Joel. Let's go. Flatten it out. Good eye, good eye. That's good, Connor. I think he got range, it's the accuracy. Good eye, good eye. Get that slide. Stay, 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 stay. Get on the base. All right, Joe, got him ready for you. 2-1, 2-1. All right, 3-1. It's all right. It's all right. Keep your head in there. Throw your head out. Be patient with it, okay? Good, good, good. Go on down. Let's go, Robert.
Get out, Robert.
Now you saw it, Robert. You know what it looked like. Let's get it. Next time that comes, I want you to take it out. Give it a ride. Let's go.
Y'all hear ting? You running.
Over your head. All right, you got to protect, Robert. You got 2 strikes on you. Let's go. Woo! All right, straighten it out. Straighten it out a little bit. Here we go. Here we go. Let's go. Who's up? Be patient, Milo. Be patient. Come on, Robert. It's all right. Don't worry about it, man. We're going to get him out there on defense. Let's go. Here we go. Here we go. Right. Tim, put your legs on.
Oh, Milo.
How many pitches we got so far? Okay. It's good. It's good.
Take a step out, Milo, and swing.
Got 2 strikes. What we doing? Woo. Pretty pitch. Who's up? Come on, Nick. Let's go now. Let's go. Guys, I want to see you swinging. Come on, Nick. Not over your head. Anything down in here? I want you crushing it. I want you crushing it. Come on, Nick. Come on, let's go, boys.
Let's go, Robert. Let's go, Milo.
All right, Joe. Get it back to him. I want you backing him up every time, Milo. When the catcher throws it back him up. Let's go.
Yeah.
That's it. That's it.
What I'm talking about.
Hey, Ben. You're way early, okay? You're way early on that one, right? Way early. Wait for that to come to you. Hey, move up in the box. Move up in the box toward him.
Roll with it. What you just did. Let's go. Sorry about that.
Let's go, guys.
You got to release it here.
Calm down, man. You good, Joe? You good? Relax.
Joel, stay with one pitch. Let's go. Just stay with it.
Good back up, Noah.
Make it consistent.
Everybody move your feet.
Move up toward the pitcher.
Baseball ready.
That's away from the pitcher.
Come on, Tim. You get those.
Joel. Joel.
Don't throw him a chair. Don't throw him a chair. Come on.
That's it.
One more of those.
All right. Hey, still early, Ben.
One more of those.
Hey, don't take your head off that ball. Don't lift your head back.
Ah, there it is.
It's a good pitch. That's a good pitch. It's a good pitch. Let's protect. Noah, you got second if you steal. Move out a little bit. Right there. Back up a couple of steps.
Play it second.
Hey.
Play it second. Come on, Tim. Catch these balls. Catch these balls.
You're up, Ben. You're up.
Get it back to the pitcher.
Be a wall, baby. Be a wall back there, Tim. Be a wall back there.
Tim, hold that glove down, son. Right there.
Ah.
All right, all right. Let's go.
Catch that rubber. Catch that rubber. Hey!
Good swing, Josh.
Let's go, Joel.
Let's
Let's go, let's go, let's go.
Run and get that. Run.
Go, Jack. Go, 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 go.
First base.
Go, 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 go. Come on, Jack. Come on, all the way, Jack.
Pitcher, pitcher, pitcher.
Keep coming. Down.
Go.
Come and chatter. Let's go. Now chat it up. Let's go.
Make a play. Make a play.
Want to see a play? Let's go.
All right, first base. Let's go.
All right. All right. Now let's go. Let's wake up, boys. Let's go.
Yeah, dude. Let's go.
You should have. You should have. Should have flipped it. Let's go now.
Go, Ezra.
Huh, that's it now. Strike. Good job.
Hey, lay off those high ones,
Stay
Ezra.
safe.
Ezra.
That let us swing,
Hey,
man.
lay off those high
That was
ones, all right?
sweet. You said it was safe. Yeah. Hey.
It's all right. It's all right. That's the ball. It's all right.
Joe, you're releasing high.
Good eye. Ezra. Ezra.
Letting it go too soon.
All right, look down on everyone.
Fall all the way through. We're about 20.
I got 14. Go. There you go.
Good play.
Good play. Good awareness. Good move. Let's go. Hey, man, we did this all day long. Let's go.
Hey, it's 2 outs. Play it first. It's 2 outs. Play it first. Chat it up, infield. Let's go. Keep that glove down, Tim. Miles, get ready. Hey, Judd. Judd. Right there.
Let's go, man. Let's go.
Yeah. That's good. He's good. He's good.
Up. Let's go, Angel.
Let's go now. Follow through. Follow through.
It's all right, Jaden.
Let's go now.
Let's concentrate. You don't have to look at that every time. Let's go.
Get on the corner. Let's go. Get on that corner. Get on the corner. Same thing. Come on. Same corner. Get on the corner and do it. You all right?
Take your time.
Go, Rorian. Go.
There it is. There
Let's
we
go.
Let's go.
All right, Miles.
Let's go, Mal. Good eye. Good eye. Good eye. All right. All right.
Good eye, Miles.
That's right.
Support your teammates.
It's all right. It's all right. Here we go. Here we go. Stay in there. Oh, good swing.
Good cut.
It's a good cut, Miles.
Watch the ball hit the bat.
Here we go. Here we go. Come on. Who's up? Who's up? Come on, Jaden. Sorry, Miles. Way to take your cuts. You swinging, man. As long as you're swinging. Let's go, Jaden.
Angel, let me y'all's mind on the game here. You're all over the place today. Focus on the game. Hey, and it's just like practice, all right? So you get up there, watch those pitches come in, and we need some swinging back, all right?
All right. Here we go. Here we go.
We swing in practice, don't we? All right, good. We swing here.
Jaden, good cut. Stay in there on it.
Watch that ball hit the bat, buddy.
Look at all the way in. All the way in. Here we go. Here we go.
That's 35 right there. It's the same pitcher.
They switched. He's playing third now. All right. All right. All right. It's all right. It's a good rip. It's all right. Jaden, the bat. The bat. Get your bat. Let's go, Judd. It's all right, man. You got a piece of it. That's all right. Let's go, Judd. It's a good cut. Watch the ball hit the bat. Just like the batting cage. Just watch it hit the bat. Take your cut. Good eye.
Come on, Judd.
Get a little closer to the plate.
Watch the ball hit the bat.
It's all right. It's all right. Come on now. Stay tough. Good eye.
Good eye, Judd.
All right. All right. the way to fight it off. That's the way to fight it off.
Straighten it out.
Come on, Judge, you got the lucky hair. You got it. You're the lucky bat.
There you go, Judge.
Run!
Go, go.
That's all right. That's all right. Come back. Do it again. Tim, suit up.
Dad, he's pitching up.
You. As far as I know, who pitching? Who's pitching? All right. You start in the next inning. Oh. Let's go, boys. Let's go. Come on in. That's the way to be tough. That's the way to be tough. All right, all right. Here we go. Let's go now. Let's go now.
You better make plays. You better make plays. Gloves on ground if it comes to you hot.
All right, all right, all right. Here we go.
That's 20 right there.
You don't need this one?
Get the ball to him, Tim.
Continue the same game. I'm gonna
Good backup infield.
Hey, Scott, choke up. 2 strikes. Protect that plate, all right? Wide stance. Widen that stance.
I'll tell you
that
that.
was clean. There you go. Right there.
Oh, good pitching, Joel.
Joel. Joel. Joel.
Let's go, let's go.
Now, Charlie, hustle up, buddy. Hustle up, hustle up. Hey, Charlie. Charlie, okay.
If he strikes this one out 3, we're gonna leave him on. We'll put
Go, buddy. Good eye,
Hey,
Charlie.
hey. Y'all saw that bunt. We know what to do. Let's go third base, first base, second base. You bunt, you come up.
Mm-hmm.
Hey, you gotta be faster, Nick.
All right, Charlie.
Jaden, you got to cover first if first base comes up. Okay? Short. No, you got to cover third when he comes up.
There you go.
Hey, Charlie.
It's good.
I
It's
want you to
good.
swing early, all right? He's throwing a lot of strikes. You're going to decide to swing.
Let's go now.
Good eye, Charlie.
Ooh. Boy, I wanted to get him with that one.
Good eye, buddy.
Hey,
2 strikes, Charlie. Protect that plate. Protect that plate. Good eye,
Release
buddy. Good
point.
eye.
don't lose him. Don't lose him, Joel.
Hey, anything close, Charlie. To lay off anything is not a
Don't
strike.
lose him.
You got it, buddy.
That's
All
it.
right, good swing. Good swing.
Good job, Joel. There you go, Joel.
It's good. You gonna let him roll?
Yeah, a little more right now.
Hey, Joel.
Go. Now, quick, quick.
Hey, Joel. Joel.
Hey, by the way, they did show up. So he's back.
Robert.
All right, Cambridge. Hey, Cambridge. Run up there to be a hitter, okay? I want to see you on third base, all right?
Come on, Joel, you
Widen
got
up that
this.
stance, Cambridge.
You're in control. That's a strike.
Yeah, that's all right. Hey, 2 strikes. Let's just protect that plate, all right? Hey, give me a wide stance, a little bit wider than your shoulders, all right? In there. All right, Joel, one more. Widen that stance, Cambridge. Widen that stance. There you go.
Top to the left.
Back up. Back up. Back up third.
That's her.
That's it.
Good job.
Here we go. Here we go.
All right, here we go, Andrew. Here we go, baby. Come on, Tim. Oh, there it is.
Good eye. Good eye. That's good. All right. All right.
Good eye, Jim.
Let's go, Tim. right, all right. It's 3-0, Tim. It's 3-0. 3 balls, no strikes.
All right, Tim, come on. Henry.
Go. All right, Henry. No wild swings, right? Let's go, Henry. Come on, Tim, run. You up, stay. Stay. Good job. Hey, Tim. Be alert. Be alert. You watching me. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on! Come on! Slide, slide! Go, 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 go! Good job. Let's go, Henry. Come on, Henry. They feel. That wasn't supposed to happen. Could you do that? Oh, okay. There you go. All right, all right, all right. Yep. Henry, now you're ready, man. Come on, swing the bat. Swing the bat. Exactly. All right, all right. You're still alive, man. Stay on it. Yep. Oh. Come on. That's all right. Hey, you had a good at bat, man. Henry, way to stay tough. That was good. That was good. Let's go. Let's go, Noah. Here we go, here we go.
We're the only game playing.
All right, no.
Let's go, Noah.
Come on, Noah.
All right, all right. Let's go, Noah. Good eye. Good eye. It's 3-1. It's 3-1.
3-1. Make him pitch. Make him a good pitch. That was you, baby.
Here we go. All right. Take your base. Take your base. Let's go, boys. Let's go, Connor. Come on, Connor. You there? Stay up. Stay up. You good? Stay on. Stay on. Stay on. Do not get off that base. Go, go, come on, come on. Run. Turn the base, turn the base, turn the base, turn the base, turn the base. Stay right here. Go back. That's good. That's good. That's good. That's good. All right, Connor, way to move the runner, man. Way to move the runner. You get it. Let's go, Joel. We need you. Let's go. Let's go. Good eye. All right, all right. Good eye. Good dance. Throw now. Got 2 strikes on you. Protect. No. If he makes contact, you're gone. Good eye, good eye, good eye. Come on, Joel. Go, 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 go. Joel, let's go, Joel. Hey! Hurry up. Go, 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 go. Get yours, Robert. Get yours. Let's go, Robert. Let's go, Robert. Let's go, Robert. All right, run it out. Get there, get there, get there. Oh, he had his foot on the bag. Yeah, could have hurt himself. Get yours, Milo. Milo, Milo. The other green bat. Let's go now. Let's go, Milo. All right, all right, all right. Run it out. What's that? Oh, today?
He said he forgot his helmet. Yeah. He said, well, I decided to go back to first.
I saw that. He went, why are you here? That was funny.
No, boy. I'm glad you made this mistake at 9.
Thank you.
Yes.
Good eye, JT.
Yep, yep, yep. Take that deep breath. It's all right. You're good. You're good. Just take it easy. Right there. Deep breath. Suck it in.
I like that.
Now that's what I'm talking about. Good pitch.
Watch those inside pitches. Those are strikes. You can swing at them. You can hit it.
I like that look he got. I love that look he got. That's what I'm talking about. Intimidation. The batter.
Good eye, JT. Hey, JT. Step right up to that plate, okay?
Don't lose it, Milo. Stay on it. Let's go now.
Come on, man. Come on, man.
Come on, you're all right. You're all right. There you go. Way to coach him, boys. Good.
Hey, JT. Hey, JT. 2 strikes. You need to swing at anything that you can hit. Those are strikes he's pitching.
Hey, all right. Joe. Y'all don't play as deep on this one. Stay right there. Henry, back up a little bit.
All right, Liam.
Come up, son.
You got it, Liam.
Come up a little bit. Come up, come up, come up, come up, come up. It's all right. It's all right.
Get in there. Hey, Liam, get into that plate.
Milo, watch that release. Just watch your release.
Watch him. I want you swinging at those balls. Get that bat back, buddy. Get that bat back. There you go. Right there.
Mm-hmm.
Hey, Liam.
It's all right. It's all right.
All right,
Get out
Milo.
of the way before he's even pitching it.
Remember, Milo had to have about 5 or 6 to get in that rhythm.
Hi, Milo. You're in control, buddy. Joe started faster than he had. Take your time. You're in control. He does when he's a starter, so that's the...
It's a thing about their rhythm.
There you
Like
go,
that.
Milo.
Like that one. Good, good, good.
That's your batter.
Yeah, we got to watch the clock. We're the away team.
Noah. We're at 1 hour right now. Baseball ready, infield.
Let's go, boys. Here we go, Milo. Here we go. You got him. Don't lose him. You're good.
Nice pitch, Milo.
Put it right in there.
Take your time, Milo.
Straight to the glove. There you go.
Hey, good swing.
There you go. Straight to the glove. It's pitch and catch.
Hey, Milo, take a breath. This is yours.
All right, there you go. Blue, blue,
Get ready. Let's get ready.
blue. Stay in, stats. This is a big hitter, so just keep it low on, okay?
Oh, wait, I know this guy.
Okay. Hey, Joe, big hitter, y'all be alert. Be alert. Joe, big hitter, come up. Hey, that way. Uh-huh.
There's one.
All right. Mm-hmm.
Hey, infield, get ready. Infield, get ready.
Outfield, be ready for it, okay? Slide over. Judd. Mm-hmm. Hey, Connor, watch for bunts. See if he comes up short, don't you charge him.
Go, Zay. Keep going.
Cut it off, get it in.
Hey, go all the way. All the way. Come on.
Throw it home. We couldn't stop that. We weren't stopping that. I knew we wasn't stopping that. It's the top of the order. It's all right, boys. Let's go. Still got a ball game to play. We got 2 outs. Let's go. We got 2 outs.
Go. Need one out. Relax, Milo, you fine?
Let's go now. Mm-hmm. I didn't see that opposite field thing coming though. I didn't see that opposite field thing coming.
I used to on that back, so
That looked good.
Like that went across the plate. Yeah, he did.
Look good to me, Milo.
You good? You good? Stay with it. Hey, hey, hey. Throw it on in there. Don't worry about that bunt. Throw it on in there. It's 3-0, Milo. Need strikes. We need strikes. If he's showing bunt, I want to see first and third crashing. Let's go, boys. Make it quick. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Break it up. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go.
got your support, Milo. Let's go, buddy.
Joe, too deep.
Get out, man.
All right, Milo, let's get this next one. The play still at first or second. It's 2 outs. Let's get this last out, boys. It's 2 outs.
Okay, come on now.
All right, bunt is off. No bunt. Go.
Hold it.
Good look.
Ooh, boy. Gotta get this
Players
last out.
at first.
Gotta get this last out.
Players at first.
Straight.
That's her.
Boys, don't worry about the runner. Let's get this run on at bat. Don't worry about the runner. Let's go.
Come on. Time, coach. Too soon.
Hey, make sure that when Joe hit the inside the park home run,
Hey, Ben,
they
you gotta
drop
wait
the
until he
his hand.
catches the ball.
Make sure on the inside the park, nobody touches him.
Mm-hmm.
If it's with a fence, then yeah, they can do all that stuff right there.
I got you. Yeah. That 2 strikes?
Yeah, that's what he said. He said if that happens again, it's an out.
Got you. Till he gets. Mm-hmm.
So make sure we go with that in practice.
Okay. Come on, Milo. You got one more. Let's go.
Yeah, go over the fence. Yeah, we can jump him. I didn't see it with Noah. I don't know. Noah or Connor. Maybe Connor.
That's it.
Let's go. There we go.
Let's go, boys. Let's go. Mm-hmm. Good eye. Whoever's hitting, tell them to get up on that plate. Get up on the plate.
Get up on the plate.
Oh!
There you go, Nick.
It's right. It's 2. Let's go now. It's ball 2. All right.
Good eye, Nick. Make sure he pitches to you.
It's 3-0.
We need a run. Yeah, we do actually.
All right. Come on down. Come here. I want you to get up on that plate, okay? Crowd the plate. Get ready, Nick.
Come on, Nick.
Come on, Miles.
Milo. Wait, Milo. Are you here? Oh, who's here?
Got the run, got the run. Get on down there. Good. Stay. Let's go, Mal. Good eye, good eye.
Good eye, Miles. There you go, Miles. All right, Jaden, you're up.
Let's go, Jake.
Hey, Jaden, stop out there.
Come here. I want you to get up on that plate, okay? Crowd the plate. Crowd the plate. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. You up, you up, you up, you up.
There you go, Nick. You're running.
No, no, no. No. I don't think they can advance from that one. It's a dead ball.
He was calling out on the dead.
Yeah.
And then he's still alive, so we can.
Mm-hmm.
There you go, Jaden. Good eye.
Stay in there, Jaden. Stay in there. Stay in there. Stay in there. You're good.
Show him what you made of. There you go, Jaden.
All right, it's 3-0. Let's go, Jaden. Stay in there. Stay in there. Be tough, man. Be a hitter.
Guys, we have 5 minutes left.
Boy.
I am. I'm trying to look if Jaden can make it.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go now. Be tough, Jaden.
There's you, Jaden.
That's a good cut. Be tough. A little faster. Bring it a little faster. Make sure it's in there. Get up on that plate. Let's go. Good eye.
Go take your base.
Take your base. Take your base. Get up on that plate, okay? Crowd the plate. Here we go. Here we go. Get in there, Judd. Get in there. Good eye. Good eye. Good eye.
Good eye, Judd. No, he's got a strike on him. There you go, Judd. Good eye.
All right, Judd. All right. Judd, stay tough. Come here. Stay in there. It's all right.
Come on, one more ball.
Come on, Judd. There you go, Judd.
Yeah! One ball! That's good! One ball! Keep going!
Hey, hey. Get up close on the plate, okay? Go, Tim. That's all right. That's good, Tim. That's good. He's trying to throw too hard. He's trying to throw too hard. Yeah. How many pitches is that? All right, Tim. That's your pitch. That's your pitch. Make sure it's in there, though, okay? eye, good eye, good eye, good eye. There you go.
There you go, Tim. Good eye.
All right, Tim, good eye. Stay in there, Tim.
I just want a ball. I just want to walk it.
There you go, Tim.
Hey. Just toss the bats back. Y'all don't need to sling them. I want you to get up close on the plate, okay? Just get up close and wait on the pitch. Let's go, Henry. Be alive, be alive. Right there. If it look good, I want to see you give it a ride. All right, Henry, that was your pitch. Be ready. Hey, Henry, stay tough. Nothing high, nothing low. All right. That's what I'm talking about. That's right. If it's in there, hit it. It's all right. Jaden, I want you running, man. If he hits that ball, take off. Stay on there for now. All right, Henry, good eye. It's Connor pitcher. Connor shutting him down. Connor. Is he warm? Good eye, good eye, good eye. It's all right. Hey. Yeah. You okay? You okay, man? You stay tough. You stay tough. It's all right. Let's go, Noah.
Come on, Noah. There you go, baby.
Whoa. Go, Noah. Get ready, Noah. Stay ready. Let's go, Noah. Nope. Not yet. Come on, Noah. It's got to look good, Noah. It's got to look good.
Take the plate.
Yeah, couldn't see the line. He was up on the plate. He was literally standing on the plate. Look, wasn't going to tell him that. Good.
Good eye, Noah.
Of course, I wasn't going to say a word. Here we go. Load it up.
Come on, Conan.
It's 2 outs, boys. 2 outs. Good eye, good eye. Get ready. Stay back on it. Stay back on it.
Come on, Connor. You got this, Connor. Need a home run. You got this, Connor.
All right, Connor.
Go on now, Connor.
Pitch to you.
Come on, Connor, swing at him.
Anything close?
Anything close.
Good eye.
Good eye, good eye.
Come on. Jump the ball. Wait, am I pitching?
I want you to load up now. I want you to load up. Watch for the quick pitch. Get ready.
Connor.
Load it up.
5-3.
Oh, Connor.
Connor.
There you go.
Oh, Connor. Shut it down.
Yes, sir.
It's got a ball game. Oh, yeah.
Go.
It's good.
Go, Connor. Infield, get ready.
Get ready, infield.
Come on, Connor. Shut him down.
Let's go now.
Next two.
It's good blocking, Noah. They would pick now to start flying over. Burn!
Stop it.
Okay. All right. Hey, Henry, good job. That's all right. You good? You all right? You all right?
Watch for a pass ball, okay? Watch for a pass ball.
Let's get these outs, Joe. Milo, let's get these outs.
Milo, hit the youth, go to second.
Go, Ezra.
Turn two.
Go, 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 go. You're up. You're
Hold
up.
it, hold it, hold it. Back to the pitcher. Back to the pitcher.
Nice heads up running, Aditya. Hey, pass ball only, okay?
Jaden, you're backing up third.
Hey, Ezra, give me a nice wide stance. Wide stance. There you go.
Whoa.
Good eye, good eye. Way to lay off.
Y'all don't slow him. Let's go, Connor.
Come on, Ezra.
All right, all right, all right.
All right, Ezra. You got this, buddy. Hey, widen that stance. Widen that stance up.
Yep.
Good eye. Good.
Find it. Right there in front of you.
You're up, you're up, you're up. Sorry, Aditya.
Come on, Noah, find that ball.
Let's go, Connor. Shut him down.
Boom.
All right, good at bat, good at bat. Hey, that's a walk, that's a walk. That's a walk, go, go, go. Hustle, hustle, hustle.
Hey, Connor. Deep breath. You good. Deep breath. You good.
Hey, Ezra, pass ball, okay? Pass ball, you're at second base.
Play at second,
Play a second. Hey, make sure we get these bases, okay? Don't worry about home right now.
Go, 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 go.
Oh, no,
Come
Nick.
on, Ezra, come on, come on, come on.
Got to get that with Nick.
Ezra, you gotta look at me. You gotta look at me.
Come on, boys.
You in.
Yeah.
Good hit.
Hey, Nick, get those, Nick. Step on first. Get that, step on first.
Hey, hey. Hey, guys. Pay attention, all
Go,
right?
Connor.
Pay attention. Everybody pay attention. Hey,
Robert, hit you, step on
attention.
third. Robert, hit you, step
Pay
on
attention.
third.
Come on, come on, come on.
Back to the pitcher. Back to the pitcher. Back to the pitcher. Let's go now. We got to protect the plate.
Let's go, Scott. Good eye, good eye,
Robert,
good eye.
Robert, if it's hitting you, throw home.
Noah, get ready. You got to protect home, okay?
No out, sorry, and you don't have to run. Only run on a ground ball that you know you can make it here, okay? And watch me. Good
Bring
eye,
it down,
good eye.
Connor. Bring it down. Bring it down.
Hey, Scott.
Let's get
Scott,
this.
only if it's a perfect pitch here. Only if it's a perfect pitch. Swing.
Come on, Connor.
All right, Scott. It's a walk.
It's all right. It's all right.
Down.
Protect home, boys.
Ground ball. You're flying, okay? You're flying on a ground ball. Watch the pop up. Hey, smart base
Come on, you
running.
got this,
Huh?
Connor.
Smart base running.
Right there. Stay right there.
Hey, Charlie.
You can touch any base. Touch this base. Make sure we cover home. If it comes to you, touch the base. Go home. Come up. Come up. Come up.
Nice eye, Charlie. Good eye.
Joel, you got to cover first. Nick, if he bunts, you come in. Joel's going to cover first. You crash.
Good eye, Charlie. Good eye, buddy. Way to pull back.
Put it in there, Connor. Put it in there.
Hey, you guys get ready. Get ready. Scott, get ready.
Ethan's pitch. That works. Good, good, good. Go with it.
There you go. One more, Connor.
One more. Hey, Noah. Noah, if he hits it short, you touch the plate.
Hey, Charlie. Need a hit here. Need a hit, all right? Really need a hit.
All you gotta do is touch the plate, Noah.
Something out in the outfield, all right? Buckle down, buddy.
You got him,
Buckle
Connor.
down. Good eye, Charlie. Good eye.
Get him on this one, Connor. Do not lose him. Do not lose him.
All right, you're good, Charlie.
Noah, if the ball is hit right in here, just touch the plate. Get the ball, touch the plate.
2 strikes.
Make some
Once
sprints,
you hit
Connor.
it, you can hit it. Lay off if it's not a
Milo, get ready.
Come on.
There you go, Connor.
Good job, good job. Let's go now. It's one out, boys. Same thing, same thing.
All right, Cambridge.
Let's go now.
Be a hitter, Cambridge.
There you go.
Hey, Cambridge. Hey, Cambridge. Cambridge. Need you swing it earlier if you're going to swing, okay?
Hey, Noah, watch that bat, son.
Yeah, because he was that was a foul. He's swinging back and forth with the bat. Oh.
Let's go, buddy.
Yeah. Keep going at that.
Yeah, he can't.
Go, Cambridge.
There you go, Connor.
Right now. Boys, any base. Any base. Any base.
Come on, JT.
Any base. Any base. Any base.
Step on third. Nick, any base. Nick, get it. Step on first. We're fine. Take your time. Let's go.
We good. We good. Let's roll. Let's go. Any base. Let's go. Let's go. Any base. Miles, move up. Move up, up, up. Jaden, come up a little bit. 2 steps. Up. Right there. Any base, boys.
There's one.
JT,
Milo. Joel.
Don't go down looking, JT. I want you putting that bat on that ball. Hey, JT, stay in that box.
Come on,
Come on, Connor. Connor. Pitch and catch, Connor. Don't lose him.
Get up
Come
to
on
that
now.
plate, all right? Get up to that plate. I want you to be a hitter.
There it is.
All right, all right, all right.
Nope,
Nope, nope. Can't go nowhere.
Hey, JT, get close to that plate.
Come on, Connor.
Come on, buddy. Easy, bud.
There you go, Connor.
All right, one more. Let's go now. Let's go, Connor. Let's go, Connor.
Right here.
Anything close, I want you swinging at. Anything close. Need a base hit.
That's it. There you go.
Yeah! Woo!
Hey, line up, boys.
Line up on the line,